Ladies, stop taking fitness and nutrition advice from your husband, and here's 3 reasons why. So I had my wife here, standing here. She actually had no idea, no preface that I was making this video. See, what you're seeing are some live reactions. So reason number 1 is hormonal differences. Your husband's gonna tell you dumb stuff that worked for him. This is like basic influencer trap. Do as I do and pray and hope that it works for you. What are your thoughts on that?
Well, one, we have different bodies and hormones that they don't understand. And 2, it's easy to say no and just not do what they want you to do.
Reason number 2 not to listen to your husband is no mentor and mentee communication. To make changes that you don't want to do in the first place, you need to have a mentor-mentee communication with the person that's holding you accountable. You have a wife-husband relationship and communication, and not a mentor-mentee communication, which is, do I try to coach you?
Nope.
That's why. And last but not least, number 3 is lack of expertise. This is an obvious one. I've also seen a lot of bad coaches with mediocre transformations or no transformations at all, or personal trainers, group fitness coaches that just focus on the training aspect, which is 20% of your fat loss results, trying to coach their wives unsuccessfully. So if you're struggling to develop these habits and want a mentor-mentee communication with a coach that's actually going to help you, DM me Metabolic AF for more information on Metabolic AF as female method. Thanks, dude.